How to finish a paper-pieced quilt block. You need to join the segments as mentioned in the pattern. In this case, you need to join segment A and segment B. You align the segments and stitch along the seam allowance. In this case, you have a matching seam where the diamonds meet. As you can see here, it's off by about 1 millimeter. In order to fix that, just move down your segment a tiny little bit and double check again. Here we go. This time it matches perfectly. Now hold in place. You can also pin this. I prefer holding it in place and then stitch the seam allowance. I'm using my 1/4 inch foot on my sewing machine and just stitch all the way through. And here we go. You can see perfect matching seams for the diamonds. To finish off the block, you pull out the paper of the seam allowance only. This way you can press the seams open and you have nice and flat seams.